Today we will learn how to make an amazing intro slide with the help of the Grow animation. Right-click, go to Format Background, select Picture or Texture Fill, then choose your picture. Insert a shape, change its form, duplicate it, and place the copies on the left side. Copy your shapes, rotate them, and place them on the right side. Select all elements, go to Format Shape, and choose Slide Background Fill. Select the shapes on the left side and apply a right offset shadow. Apply a left offset shadow to the shapes on the right side. Select all shapes and add a blur effect to their shadows. Now it looks better. Select all shapes. Open section with animations and choose animation as shown on the screen. Click Effect Options and change the direction to horizontal. Set the duration to at least 7 seconds.